Hi, this is Eleanor, your Virtual Girl Friday and also the Las Vegas Tweetup. Today I'm going to be showing you a plugin that I'm enjoying using right now. It's called Twitter at Anywhere Plus, and it uses the Twitter API or at Anywhere so that you can share Twitter on your website. And here's an example. There's a retweet button here and the hover card, so whenever I hover over, then it also allows a user on your site, whoever's reading your site or if they're visiting their site, to actually send a tweet from your site using the tweet card. So I'm going to show you how you can get your own and install it. First, we're going to go to my Twitter account, and this is my Play account, your blog girl, and go ahead and click on your settings. Then you're going to click on Connections, and then you're going to come over here where it says Developers can edit the registration settings for their applications, so you're going to click there. Another place you could do this without coming into your Twitter account is dev.twitter.com. So after we've clicked here, we're going to also click Register a New Application. You're going to want to choose a file. So I'm going to click Choose a File. I'm going to go into Pictures, and it's your Blog Girl Pro file pics that I want. I'm going to open that. I'm going to name the application Your Blog Girl, and then its description is to use at Anywhere API. You can, whatever description you want there. Make sure you do put www when you come in here to put your application's website, and then I'm going to go ahead and copy and paste this because we're going to use it again. You can put the name of your blog as your organization. For website, your website again. It's going to be browser because people are going to be using this application while viewing your site, so it's going to be in a browser. Go ahead for the callback URL. Again, it is your site. You're going to want it to be read and write, and click yes, use your Twitter for login. Let's see if we get the CAPTCHA right on the first try. Click Save. Okay, so now you're going to come over here and copy and paste consumer key. A consumer key is the same as your API, and then here's your picture that you pulled in. Okay, so we're going to go into my WordPress site, my Play site, and we're going to add a new plugin. You can either, if you're already in Add New Plugins, you could do it there, or under the plugins you can click Install New. But since I'm already here, we're just going to click Add New. We're going to add in the Twitter at Anywhere Plus. This is the one that I like to use. It's more robust. It doesn't just add the hover card, it adds the retweet button, and it also adds the tweet box. So go ahead and click Install. And again, install now. And there's a few more features that I didn't speak of. And you're going to activate the plugin. Okay, so then after that has been activated, we're going to come down here to Settings, and we're going to click on Twitter at Anywhere Plus to configure it. Okay, right here is where you're going to put in your API key. So paste it in. I also chose auto linkification of usernames, the hover card, follow button, so you can just put in your username, And then I took from the example down here the number follow button and put it in here. Then your tweet box, I chose to change the default size because of the theme that I'm using. I love Studio Press themes, and I'm using a child theme that allows me to have 3 columns on my blog post. And then you're able to put the label in that you want, and I chose Spread the Tweet Love. If you want to get a little more custom, you can come down and use a custom tweet box, but I chose not to. You can click Retweet button and again choose where it's going to be. You can label it again, or you can also choose a cute little Twitter a little Twitter bird, and or you can choose none. Tongue-tied there. Then if you're going to use a URL shortener, it's using Bitly, and I'm just going to show you really quick in Bitly. Even though I'm already there, if you click on your username, it will bring you straight to your API key, and you can copy and paste that and then come back in to your WordPress and add your username and your API. Go ahead and click Save Changes. Okay, so now I've selected a blog post already in your at this site, yourbloggerl.com. And we're going to come up here to the top first. Okay, so here's the retweet button right here. So a user could click that and type in a retweet right there. And to get out of it, they just click. I'm hoping that's something that they fix later, if that it becomes automatic when you click the tweet button on that. Then you also come down here and see my @VA Girl Friday. And if you're not following me, right here would be the follow button where you could click and follow. Here's where we can do a tweet, testing out the @anywhere using the plugin Twitter, not plugging, Twitter @anywhere plus. Let's just go ahead and make that a capital A. And then let's go ahead and tweet that. Now let's go back to my Twitter profile. We're going to go ahead and click on Home. Okay, this is the one I did earlier. It shows 32 minutes ago via Your Blog Girl. Here's a direct link, actually. See how I'm hovering over Your Blog Girl? Instead of it saying via API 1 hour ago or 29 minutes ago via schmap.it or via Hootsuite, it's specifically saying my blog, and it's clickable, so anybody could actually click on that and go see that blog. So that's one of the other features. So I hope this tutorial helped you and encouraged you to go create your developer's API in your Twitter account and start using @anywhere on your sites with the plugin for WordPress, Twitter @anywhere plus. And I look forward to seeing you in the Twitterverse.